To make JST connectors, the best tool for crimping is this one. Before you start, break the connectors off from the carrier. The most useful ones for our purposes are these ones, since they can connect both to ordinary header pins as well as to proper JST type PCB mounted sockets. Remove the insulation to have exactly this much copper for crimping. Only the wings in the middle are supposed to grab onto blank wire. The rear wings will be holding onto the insulation, and no wire at all should go beyond here to make sure there's room inside the receptacle to accommodate the pin. For crimping, we'll use 1.4 and 1.9 millimeters. Hold the pin like that, insert it exactly like this, with the middle wings in the crimper, and then insert the blank copper part and crimp it. Use your fingers to slightly close the wings for the insulation, then insert that into the 1.9 millimeters and also crimp it. The little hook will make a tiny click when inserting it into the housing.